Assalamu. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change table style in Word 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take a table. Now we want to change the table style. Select the whole table, click and drag on our mouse, then we find and click the design menu, then click the table style. Now we can see here many design. Now we choose a design in this drop down menu. Now I select the design. Now we can see here we change table style in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.